We give step to the future of the industry, to the future of building a better world, to the future of all our homes. Because we already know how it is, because we have been building it for more than 30 years, opening the way for the best products in valves and fittings for the regulation and conduction of fluids, making the industry a place to feel safe, serving the wide needs in construction and field, and supplying the demand of homes. Our duty, the requirement of the product, achieve excellence and share it with the world. Talent is our essence, and recognizing the need is the main condition for the design of our products. In our race for quality, there is no finish line, and the quality of a leader is reflected in the levels of maximum demand that he sets for himself. Our value is security, the security of our product, the security of our trajectory, the security of knowing our clients, their demands and circumstances, and the certainty that nothing is ahead of our commitment to them. The future starts today.